these stressful times, we all need a way to relax. In this video, we will be doing a 12-minute mindfulness meditation drawing exercise. You might know my easy-to-follow drawing tutorials, but I actually studied psychology and wrote my thesis about mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation has some great benefits. It reduces stress and improves your sleep, for instance. But it also improves your general health. All you need to follow this mindfulness meditation drawing exercise is a piece of paper and a pen or pencil. But you could also use your iPad and Apple Pencil, for instance. And if you don't have any of these, then you can just follow this mindfulness meditation exercise by watching the video and watching how I draw on my iPad. Let's get started. Sit down in a way you find comfortable and hold your pencil in your hand. Close your eyes and take a long, deep breath. Listen to all the sounds around you. Do you hear loud noise? Or perhaps soft sounds in the distance? Try to hear every sound. Focus on each tone. Now that you have listened to all the sounds around you, you may let them fade into the background. The sounds are there, but they are not important. Just let them be. Take a moment to feel your feet. How are they placed? In what areas of your feet do you feel pressure? Do you feel pressure of your socks or shoes? Or are your feet bare? Go up and feel how your legs are positioned. Where do you feel pressure? Are they in a comfortable position? Feel free to reposition if you feel like it. As we move up, notice your core. Are you sitting upright? Where do you feel pressure in your back? How does the fabric of your shirt or sweater feel on your skin? Think about the position of your shoulders and arms. Try to relax the muscles in your shoulders and take a moment to notice how your elbows are placed. Feel free to reposition your arms. Now move your attention to your hands. Do you feel the difference between the hand that is holding the pencil and your other hand? Are you holding your pencil loosely? Or do you have a firm grip? Relax your hand and feel where your pencil touches your hand and fingers. Let your pencil touch the paper or iPad surface. Notice the sound it makes as it touches the surface. How does it feel? Keep your eyes closed and start moving your pencil over the surface. Move your pen without intent. Just let it go wherever it pleases. The outcome of your lines doesn't matter. How does it feel to let your pencil slide over the surface? Is it textured or smooth? Listen to the sound the pencil makes and feel the sensation of the movement going up through your hand and arm. If you have any thoughts popping up into your mind, that's okay. Observe your thoughts, but don't judge them. There is no right or wrong. Bring back the focus to your hand and how it's moving your pencil over the surface of your paper or iPad. Be aware of the speed with which you are moving your hand. Gradually slow down your hand. We'll count down from 10. Once we are at 0, your hand has stopped. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop your hand. Keep your eyes closed and try to imagine what your line work looks like. Now open your eyes and look at your line work. Observe the lines. Are they smooth or jagged? Are the shapes big or small? Look at your work without judgment. There is no right or wrong here. Pick one of the shapes that was created by your lines and start filling it with a pattern. Fill it with lines, circles, waves, whatever comes to mind. Be aware of how your hand moves while you make the pattern. Where do you feel movement? Just in your hand? Or can you feel it in your elbow, your shoulder? And how does it sound? Can you hear the pencil moving over the surface? You may let go of thoughts about the end result. Just focus on the pencil and how drawing these patterns feel. You are giving your mind and body a moment to relax and just enjoy the pencil moving on your paper or iPad. Any thoughts popping up into your mind, don't judge them. Just let them be and return your focus to your hand and the patterns that you're making. Listen to the sound of your pen. Feel the muscles in your hand. You may stop drawing. Now take a moment to look at your drawing. Take in the shapes, the lines. Follow them with your eyes. Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and feel your belly expand. Now breathe out through your mouth. Relax your shoulders and arms. Lay down your pencil and feel how heavy your arms and shoulders are. Let them relax all the way. You may open your eyes. Thank you for following this meditation exercise.